guys, welcome back to Lost Without a Plan. Today we are planning the week of September 12th through the 18th in my plumpaper vertical priorities. And we're going to be using this kit from Orange Umbrella Co. MK6. It was a mystery kit called Gnome Night. And I've already written in some of my items. And I've never used a kit from them before, so I'm excited to see how it turns out. And that's a little freebie, and the Post-it sticky notes and the functionals and the scripts, and then these are two more freebies that came with it that I'm thinking I might use. So let's pop it out and get started. Okay, I also grabbed some neutral mildliners to go with the kit, and start by sticking down this bottom washi. There's some really cute little gnomes in here hiding in the forest, and the sticky notes I've already placed Violet's school schedule in here. This is the first time I've ever put stickers down here on to replace that section, and I like it. I think it's fun. And then I'm going to stick the other part over here and drop in the last two of the sticky notes, and I'm going to put down some more washi. I know that gnomes are super duper popular right now. You'll have to tell me if you guys love gnomes, or is it a fad that you would rather go without? I have made my own gnome in like a craft class last year, and he was super cute, but there are some of them that are a little bit creepy looking, I think, in my opinion. On this little piece of washi, there's some super duper tiny mushrooms, kind of Super Mario vibes right now. And let's see, I'm going to put the date headers in. I love the way these colors are, the teal with the red. It's really beautiful. I like how well these, it's like they're perfectly sized. Sometimes you can see a little bit on either side, but not with this kit. This kit's perfectly sized. Let's see. I'm going to put in my workouts, and this is the day I'm getting my car serviced, so I use the Spaz Kitty with his side-eye glance, because you never know what they're going to tell you when you get your car set up. Yeah. I'm always prepared for the worst when I go in. Let's see. I'm going to add these priority stickers from the freebie to my top 3 section. And some of these are a little bit crooked, so I'm going to fix them. Should probably be using my tweezers. And let me add one down here for Sunday. And I'm going to fuss with some date dots. And here I got my tweezers, but it's not really helping, of course. It's the first time I think I've used singles and dedicated myself to doing all of the top 3s with them. But now I'm committed, so I'm going to keep going. That one got stuck on my hand. I do like the way that the colorways are. Should I put them on Saturday? Should I put them on Sunday? I don't know. No, I'm just going to use them on the underneath. I only have 2 more spots that need them because of the... Oh, and then I have my video flagged that I need to stick down. I think I will put them on Saturday and Sunday since I have enough. And then Yeah, I'm only going to put one more in that goals and learning section. And then I'm going to use my dinner sticker, finding a color that matches. This yellow is a little bit vibrant for it, but I think it'll work. I'm going to use a little bit more of this decorative tape. Yeah, that's less noticeable. And I gotta clip the side. Let's see. And I have this pastel version of washi, so I'm gonna put it up there and use this Habits. And I'm gonna put the payday sticker, the planner time sticker. I really like all of these headers. This one says appointment, so I put it with manicure, my grocery trip. You guys really thought of everything at Orange Umbrella Co. And then trash out, trash day. And now I'm gonna kind of jerry rig a display box up here with these cute freebies. This one says Gnome Thyself, and this one says You Gnome You Are Loved. And I'm just using some more of the washi to make it make sense with the little guys on top. This one says No More Regrets, and there's one more that's just a phrase that says Gnome Worry, No Cry. And that, of course, is the song that's been stuck in my head the entire time that we've been playing with this. I'm going to use a little bit bigger piece of washi and top it with the mushrooms and stick that on there so it's got a little more substance. Yeah, that's cute. Now I'm writing in my habits and routines, my AM and my PM, my vitamins, and I have some meetings. But I'm going to put in my learning. I'm doing the Organized HQ Summit this week, and I have some work stuff that I need to do. Putting those work items up here. And then I'm supposed to prep my Q4 just notes so that I can be prepared for the goal setting conference next week. And the consignment sale is this weekend. And I have to put my film schedule, so I'm going to use this last post-it note and stick it in vertically. Oh, I think that looks really cute. There's a white bar around it though, so I'm going to trim it down. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm out of the frame, guys. And there we go. Oh, that looks really cute. I like it. Let me see. Now I'm going to put my Girl Scouts management meeting. And there's an important sticker over here. And I think oh yes, I have a manicure appointment, so I'm going to pull this cute sticker from Happy Cutie Co. Happy Cutie Studio. And then that's my Q3 flip video, and then I already have my Plan With Me in. I didn't like how that was written, so I rewrote it. And then my book that I'm reading is our book club book, When Striving Cease. And I'm going to put in some real batching and my meal plan. Gotta order my groceries that day for the pickup the next day. And going to add organized HQ on the other 2 days because I'll just catch up on days that I miss. And I'm going to highlight the calendar, and I think that's it, guys. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Bye.